Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn on and off calendar sync with iCloud. So it's pretty simple. Now for this, you cannot do it through the calendar app. You need to do it through your iPhone setting. So go inside your iPhone setting, and at the top it is going to show you your iPhone name. So my iPhone name is Jake Knowledge. So I'm going to click on that. You need to click on your. From over here, what you want to do is scroll a bit down. Once you scroll a bit down, you will see iCloud. Click on iCloud. Now once you're inside iCloud, over here it says app using iCloud. Right below it, you will see show all. Click on show all. From over here, you want to scroll all the way down and you will see calendar. If you turn this off for calendar, your calendar sync will be turned off from iCloud. If you turn this on, your calendar will be synced with iCloud again. And what will happen if your calendar is synced with iCloud is whatever changes you make on the calendar, it is going to be saved on your iCloud. And if it is off, the changes which you made is only going to be saved on your mobile device. It's not going to be saved on your iCloud. So if something happens to your mobile phone, you won't be able to recover the data that was stored on your phone because it was not backed up in iCloud. So that's how we guys can turn on and off iPhone calendar sync with iCloud. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.